Confluent and Amazon Managed Kafka, also known as AWS MSK, are two major options for teams that want the power of Kafka without the operational headache. Both promise managed streaming, but they deliver very different experiences. If you are choosing a platform for real-time data pipelines, event-driven systems, or large-scale applications, here is a clear and conversational breakdown to help you decide which one fits your needs. Confluent Cloud takes Kafka and turns it into a complete streaming platform. It is fully managed, meaning the service handles scaling, upgrades, balancing, and failover without you getting involved. The interface is clean, the developer tools are modern, and you get a large ecosystem of built-in features. That includes a schema registry, a wide library of connectors, and integrated stream processing with tools like KSQLDB and Managed Flink. For teams that want end-to-end governance, Confluent offers data lineage, contracts, and monitoring built directly into the platform. Another strength is its multi-cloud flexibility. You can run Confluent on AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, which is important if your company has a hybrid or multi-provider strategy. The platform is designed to remove almost all of the traditional Kafka maintenance work, so developers can focus on building instead of managing brokers. AWS MSK is a different experience. It gives you managed Kafka, but it stays much closer to a standard Kafka cluster. It handles provisioning and patching, and it integrates deeply with the AWS ecosystem. That makes it a natural choice if your workloads already live in Amazon services such as Lambda, ECS, or DynamoDB. MSK comes in two flavors. MSK Provisioned gives you more control over cluster sizing and configuration, while MSK Serverless removes some of that complexity and scales more automatically. The trade-off is that you manage more of the Kafka internals compared to Confluent. You will still need to handle tasks like topic design, partition distribution, and sometimes rebalancing. For many teams already invested in AWS, that trade-off is worth it because MSK fits neatly into existing infrastructure and security controls. If your organization needs a full streaming platform with strong governance, automated scaling, and multi-cloud flexibility, Confluent is usually the stronger choice. If your team is deeply committed to AWS and prefers to stay within its ecosystem with a simpler managed Kafka option, MSK is a great fit. Both platforms are proven, reliable, and scalable. The decision comes down to how much responsibility you want to keep and how broad your streaming capabilities need to be as your system grows.